They are saying we are not going to bury her.
No, we will bury her. I know this will happen. So there should be a planning for this. Because I know our grandmother will not be brought here immediately, but they have to be here. This is the father's.
But is it right for them to hold her like that?
As long as it's not damaged, it's okay. I know, because she's a great person now.
But I learned, she said, after church they should bury her. After church, they should bury her.
This, to me, this does not have anything to do with traditional or whatever. This is just a normal burial rite. They will soon, put her in the coffin and then we go for burial. This is supposed to happen.